In this video, we're going to go over 6 simple steps to fix Metaphor. ReFantazio crashing on Steam PC. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Restart Steam and your PC. 1. Close Steam completely. 2. Restart your computer. 3. Launch Steam again and try running the game. Step 2. Update GPU drivers. 1. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA or AMD 2. Download and install the latest drivers. 3. Restart your PC after the installation. Step 3. Change DirectX version 1. Open Steam and go to your library. 2. Right-click on Metaphor, ReFantazio, and select Properties. 3. Under the General tab, find Launch options. 4. Type -DX11 or -DX12. 5. Try running the game with each version to see which one works best. Step 4. Verify integrity of game files. 1. In your Steam library, right-click the game and choose Properties. 2. Go to the Installed Files tab. 3. Click Verify integrity of game files. 4. Wait for the process to complete, then launch the game again. Step 5. Run the game as Administrator 1. Find the game's installation folder. 2. Right-click the game's .exe file and select Run as Administrator. 3. You can also try enabling compatibility mode, overriding high DPI scaling behavior in the Properties menu. Step 6. Delete configuration files or rename save files. 1. Go to the game's directory. 2. Locate and delete the PC config file to reset settings. 3. If crashes continue, try renaming your save files. This may reset your progress, so do it only if needed.